Hello guys, imagine turning a modest $200 deposit into a steady profit machine that could hit $1,000 in just a few months. Sounds like a trader's dream, right? Well, that's exactly what happened when I put the Indicement EA V6.0 MT4 to the test on my own live account. And today I'm spilling all the details on why this bot deserves a spot in your Forex arsenal. So sit tight because I'm walking you through everything step by step, just like I did it. Let's kick things off with the basics. Indicement EA V6.0. First thing you do is grab the download, and there it is on your desktop. This zip folder labeled Indicement EA V6.0 MT4 at. Super clean, no viruses, no hassle whatsoever. You just right-click on it, pick Extract here with WinRAR or whatever you use. Boom, 2 seconds flat, and the folder pops open revealing the main Indicement EA V6.0 MT4.ex4 file right there, plus a README doc, the set file. That's everything you need to get rolling without any guesswork. Okay, from here it's dead simple. Drag that .x4 file into your MT4's experts folder, restart the platform, and check this out. There she is in the navigator pane, sitting pretty and ready to attach to charts like US500 or EURUSD on the M1 timeframe with dynamic lot sizing. Starting at 0.01, no complicated setup required. Alright, let's talk real proof because nobody trusts hype without numbers. Here's the verified Myfxbook page for Indicement EA V6.0 MT4, and look at these stats jumping out. It kicked off with a $200 deposit, racked up a solid 48.54% gain over the year, with an absolute gain of 40.74%. A profit factor around 0.98 that's edging into reliable territory without crazy risks, and a max drawdown of just 20.45% that kept things steady even in choppy markets. Plus, the equity growth chart shows it dipping a bit early but then climbing strong to $285 withdrawn, proving it's built for long-term wins. Scroll down a bit more on that Myfxbook, and you hit the Forecast tab. Even in non-compounding mode, it's projecting that starting equity to grow steadily to $1,031.32 over the years, with a 5% yearly rate. Super conservative, but exciting. Because it matches what I saw in my test, now dive into the advanced stats here. Over 265 trades this year alone, a 60% win rate that's impressive, average win of $12.19 crushing the average loss of negative $14.45, a sharp ratio of 0.03 showing balanced risk-reward, and that profit factor at 1.38 overall. Man, this tells me Indicement EA V6.0 MT4 isn't just lucky, it's strategically dodging losses while stacking gains. Okay, fast forward to installation confirmation. Back in MT4, you see it loaded in the navigator under Experts, attached to a live US500 chart on M15. And it's already scanning for those Indicement setups in real time. Now watch this part. The backtesting is where Indicement EA V6.0 MT4 really blew me away. I fired up the strategy tester myself, using the every tick model for pinpoint accuracy on data from early 2023 to now, and damn, look at this equity curve. It starts off calm with a small initial drawdown as it adapts to the market. Totally normal, like warming up the engine. Then it just takes off with those green profit bars stacking up one after another, showing consistent upward momentum without wild swings. You can see the blue line for balance dipping a couple times early but recovering strong, ending way up at over $1,000 net profit. Gross profit $1,000.30 outweighing gross loss, negative $723.88. A maximal drawdown of 12.5%. That's easy on the nerves. 73.92% profitable trades in the long run. Largest profit trade at $26.24, and loss at negative $30.97. Average consecutive wins at 4 with minimal losses in between. Folks, this isn't some overfitted backtest junk. With 88.39% modeling quality, it means Indicement EA V 6.0. MT4 is legit for real-world trading. No curve-fitting tricks, just solid performance that had me hooked from the first run. And speaking of real-world, I ran it live on my Pepperstone account during volatile sessions on pairs like EUR, USD, and GBP/USD. And it snagged perfect entries on inducement reversals, like banking 19 pips on a single move while I slept, with the balance curve climbing steady and dodging big red dips thanks to its 3% risk per strategy controls. Honestly guys, Indicement EA V6.0 MT4 has been one of the cleanest EAs I've tested all year, turning my account into a profit machine without the stress. If you want it for yourself, it's available right now on our website. Check our description to know more about this EA and join our Telegram group where we share live signals and updated set files. And trust me, once you see it running on your own account, you'll be thanking me. Let's print some money together.